girls and boys, ladies and gentlemen.
Alright. So now before we actually do this part, we're still waking up. So we still need one more thing. What do you think that is?
The Disneystore.
Yeah. What? It's not any ordinary key.
This is a magical
How
place
imagination
where
is stories on
fantasies
here
are
out
every day.
So, I do have the key with you today.
Where Disney characters and stories come to life.
Where is it? No. We can't go to the store just to have the key. So I guess I will see you tomorrow when you find the key.
Kids of all ages
It's gonna be somewhere located in an area.
Look around for.
Do you have the key?
I don't have the key. No, is it? Look around. Maybe it's. Oh, maybe somebody's coming with the key. Do you think that's the key?
Alright, this is the key that has something special about it. Right here. That's the castle. Alright, let's go ahead and see if it fits in there. I'm not going to turn it just yet. Let's see if it fits. Perfect fit. Alright, before we do some more pixie dust, tinker about this very time. I'm going to put all over the keys. Alright, have everyone else sprinkle some pixie dust this way.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
Countdown from 5 to 1. Are you ready? I don't know. Are you ready? Yeah! Alright, come on. Put your hands on the key.